Hey, Tess Murphy, CCC Sale. Let's talk real quick about barcodes. So every item has to have a price, and the way we price our items is with barcode stickers. You will use Avery 5160 or similar. These are 8160 because I think it's made for a laser printer. I think 5160 is inkjet or whatever, but basically it's that or similar, and there's lots of different ones. Office Depot has one, Amazon has their own, all of that sort of stuff, but they're 30 on a page. And you will go into your account and you will tell the computer how many barcodes you want. Now, some people like to go through all of their stuff and go, okay, I need 4 $3 and 6 $8 and 7 $9 and do it that way. Because that to me feels a little labor intensive. That is not what I do. Here's my way of doing it. I print a whole page. There's 30 on a page. I print a whole page of $5, a whole page of $6, a whole page of $7, a whole page of $8, a whole page of $9, a whole page of $10. And then guess what? If I don't use them all, I save them for the next sale. And I can use them at the next sale. These, I don't know how old these are. Some of these in here may be 4 or 5 or 6 sales old because I just don't use, $17. I don't use $17 very often, but for some reason I had some $17 items. So I printed some $17 items, tags. So you will go and print on Avery 5160 or similar from your account. You will tell it how many you need. Like I said, there's 30 on a page. I always do a whole page of each size, and then you will print them there, and you just stick that paper in your printer and hit print, and they come right out nice and wonderful and beautiful. And then you will stick those onto your index cards. Your index cards have a place where there is a description and then your barcode label.